here, and we also start to do things for Christmas. I can see in the store they start to put out Christmas stuff already. Well, today I went to the shop and I get a bottle of Red Label wine and a small bottle of Jamaican white rum Neville. And right over here is a bottle of Red Label wine, and also I get 500 grams of raisin. And inside of this bottle, I pour it in this bottle. Well, I didn't use 500 grams of the raisin. I used roughly 175 grams out of the raisin inside of this bottle. So far, what we're gonna do, we're gonna soak our fruits for Christmas. And this is the way how to soak your fruits for Christmas. Hopefully, you guys will like the recipe and enjoy the recipe, as I say. Thank you for visiting my website at chefricardo.co.uk and subscribe. Leave your comments. Christmas is coming here. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Now I'm going to show you how to soak your fruits for Christmas. So as I explained before, that 175 grams, 225 grams worth of raisin inside of this bottle. Sorry for about the 175. It's a 225 grams of water raisin inside of this bottle. I got a small bottle of Red Label wine. I'm gonna put half of it inside of it, just like this. Yeah, that's half. Lovely, a little bit more. Nice one. If you're a person who going to church or you don't like to use these kind of rum and Red Label wine, request me and I can tell you what kind of wine you can use. Now I'm gonna put some Red Label wine inside of it. Nice. So as you can see right here, I'm putting my fruits to soak for 2.5 months, roughly 2.75 months for soak. Now I'm just gonna seal it like this, and that's it. Simple. Soak your fruits for Christmas. Then now I'm gonna show you when they soak for 2.5 months how to do this recipe. So guys, look out for the recipe. It's gonna come very soon. Alright? Thank you very much. But I'm just showing you also you can soak your fruits for 1 year also. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. And as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming out, guys. This is the way how to soak your fruits for Christmas. Best way how to soak your fruits for Christmas. You're gonna soak it for roughly, say, 2.5 months for soaking this bottle, really sealed and tight. So guys, please leave your comments if you like the recipe, and as I said, look out for the cake. And this is the way how to soak your fruits. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo.